What are you doing, crazy? You crazy cow. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? Well, everybody wants to come over and see me, huh? You got plenty of food. I put in 2 bales for you. There's my woolly mammoth. What are you doing, Sweetie Pea? Huh? Oh, Judy. I don't got nothing. Nope, I don't got nothing. I figured you guys had enough with all that nice hay. Right, Mr. Woolly Mammoth? What do you think, Lucy? You guys got just about full. You can't even stand up straight. No, you can't. Can ya? Oh, stop. I see you, ladybug. Oh, stop. You're letting them other cows suck on you. Why? You shouldn't be letting them suck on you. That's for your baby, not for them. What do you think, Pygmy? Is Woolly Mammoth getting a little attention? How about you? Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? He's a good boy, too. He's a good boy. It's right there. How about you? Huh? Is it itch right there behind your ears? Oh, yes. Yeah. Relax. Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you, Pygmy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Yeah, he's a good boy. Just itch my ears. Yeah, itch my ears. It makes him feel better. Yeah. All right, you gotta move, guys. Come on, get out of the way. I'll run you over. I'm gonna run you over. Let's go. Come on, Pygmy. Let's go. You gotta move. Let me get off sideways here. Come on there, woolly mammoth. Buggy? You gonna get the buggy? He's a pretty boy, huh? Yeah, he's a pretty boy. I see you, Gertie. What do we got over here? Oh, look at all the babies. Yeah, they're just relaxing. Nice and cool out today. What do you think, Sparky? You got Junior too? You got some good hay? Delicious? Yeah, delicious.